Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a SVG with multiple layers using Design Space. First you need to get your image, usually a PNG, and then upload that to Design Space. You're going to click through your first series of color, in this case it's brown. Try to remove as many of the lines as you can. As you can see, I'm just kind of clicking around here trying to get as much as I can, but we can remove that later. I'll show you how. Alright, so we'll save it as a cut image, and then we'll do the same thing over and over again for each color that we have. In this case, we have 4 colors, so we're going to upload the monkey 4 times. Moderately complex. Next. Now we'll do the second color. I'm going to do just the little guy's tan face, his body piece, and his feet. Next, again, save the cut image. We'll remove the excess later and save. Upload once more. Moderately complex. Now we're just going to do his little ears. Again, we're going to move the extra later. Save as a cut. Name it something that you can remember which piece is which. And the last time, it's going to be his little eyes and his nose and his mouth. Remove everything except for that. Cool. Alright, now add all 4 pieces to your design space and save your project. We're going to take the first piece and we're going to use shapes, and we're going to use the slice feature in Design Space to cut out the extra outlines of the pieces we don't want. So do the unlock image. That way you can size it to however you want and shape it. You'll have to do this slice 3 or 4 times for each image, depending on where the slices you want to take out are. So in that case, I just hit Control and then I selected both of those layers, the shape and the monkey, and hit slice. Then I deleted the excess outline once that was done. Again, shape it to what you want to delete, cover it up, select both pieces with Control and hit slice, and that's it. Move the monkey out the way, delete the extra, and you'll do this for each of the pieces that you have. So in this case there's 4 pieces or 4 layers. I made him brown and I moved that one to the back, and I'm on to the next one. So in this one it's pretty easy, so I just use a big square. Don't forget to unlock your image and to drag it all the way down, and you can see I got pretty much all of it and made it a little bigger. Got that one in one swoop. That was the easiest. Now the more difficult your design, the more you might have to kind of tweak this piece. So if you have a lot of extra lines and outlines to get rid of, you might want to be a little bit more tedious with it. Don't forget to save your project with each layer that you do so you don't lose any of your progress. This one took me the longest. I think about 3 or 4 times, since you can't really make a shape that covers everything all at once. So I use a square for the bottom, Again, select both layers and slice. Remove the sliced pieces and do it again. If you want, you could take 3 shapes that you want and kind of connect them together. So in this case, it would be like half a square. You could weld all 3 of those pieces together first, then select your 2 layers and slice that way. But for practice sake, I just did it this way. Now we are going to have 2 squares. You can either hold the control key when you're slicing to select both layers, or you can use the Design Space layers column on the right, and then click both using control, and then slice. Now I'll select the color of his little eyes, make it a little darker brown with a hint of gray in his eyes, and then save that again. And I just push the other layers out of the way. And then this one was just 2 little squares to get rid of the little outlines of the ears. Then this will leave us with a bunch of 4 clean layers with 4 colors for a cute little monkey. Alright, now we're going to group these all together, so we're just going to do like a puzzle, match all the pieces together, make sure that they line up correctly. I try to get as close to the original as I can, and you'll be able to see, like, when you match them up, that kind of white outlines and the black lines that go with it kind of match evenly. It makes it easier if you push all your layers to the front as you go, so that you can kind of lay on top of it. Just makes it easier to see and line up. So right click, move to front, and then do that. Now hit Control A to select all, and then hit group, and then you're done. Make sure you save your project when you're done. Now we have a cute little monkey. If you hit make it, I'll show you. It'll have 4 clean images. So 4 pieces of paper. You don't see any of the extra outlines or anything like that. It's just 4 nice pieces. You can cut this with vinyl, or you can cut it with paper. Thanks for watching.